Okay, there's your problem. A doll's clogging it up. Ew, so much for the Malibu Dream Toilet. Let's clean you up, starting with these blemishes. We'll need toothpaste, a lot of toothpaste, and glitter. After all, glitter just makes everything better. Barbara's already looking ready for the signature collection. Oh, we need to do something about that hair. Good idea. The shaved look's really in right now. And speaking of shaving, let's keep on grooming. All we need is something a little sticky. Wax on, wax off. Now that's smooth. Sit down and relax. It's time for a manicure. Just like hair, sometimes nails need a little extension. Of course, sometimes less is more. Now for some color. Pink, because it's kind of her color. Why go shoe shopping when you can have shoes custom made? Well, the transparent look worked for Cinderella. But let's add some color. How about yellow? Better yet, yellow with polka dots. Just add water to smooth things out. Got any Halloween candy? Save the wrappers. And now she's got some gold lame. Sort of. Now she's practically catwalk ready. Though a new do probably wouldn't hurt either. Some yarn can help. Get out the needle and thread. I guess this doll's going for that platinum blonde look. You can't get hair this soft and thick with conditioner alone. I've heard of tossing cookies, but Skittles? Line them up and add some water. Looks like her new hair is super absorbent. Now Barbara has hair like a rainbow. When it comes to highlights, you just can't pick one. Blue juice. Wow, it's hot out. Maybe we can provide some shade. Use this bottle cap as a model. And add yarn, so we can make a nice sun hat. Don't forget the rim. Much better. And it's great for some alone time. What else can we make to help? Make some cuts on an old plastic cup. And we've got some sunglasses. Gotta get those lip exercises in. Come on, baby, we can't skip lip day. Ah, nice and fuller. But let's add some color. Lips are done. Now for the cheeks. Who needs rouge when you've got stickers? Actually, they're great all over. She's looking great. Inspiration strikes! Cut a little off your sock. Take the wiring off this clip and wrap it up. Tie it up. Now it's time to bring back that old handle. Can't beat a new handbag, especially ones with candy. But it looks like she needs to take a seat. Take this plastic egg, add paint and, what else? Ah, glitter! Add a leg, and it's the perfect chair. Just add a cushion and relax. Oh, popcorn. Must have been hungry. Oh, I guess not. Oh, don't worry, girl. We got you covered. Break a toothbrush and add a little toothpick. And she's got a new broom. Also handy if she wants to play a witch. Huh? What the? Looks like rain. Take a bowl. Add color. And a handle for a stylish new umbrella. Probably should fix the ceiling, but this works too. Now get out a handkerchief, probably a clean one. And hot glue a soda bottle cap around it. Cover the cap with fabric. Add some ears on the side and 2 eyes on top. Draw a little mouth, and don't forget the nose. We just need to make a few more adjustments. Soon enough, we've got a cute little cat-faced backpack.
Ooh.
Don't worry, boy. We've got you covered. We'll make you something to give your girlfriend and show you care. A nice Papercraft. Make some cuts to this piece of paper. It'll help with the folding. It's a lovely rose. Why not make a bouquet? Wrap it up for the proud new mommy. Aww. You know, Barbara was a real professional. She did all her own stunts, even in the stop-motion scenes. Doll-tastic stuff. Catch you next time. What's this? Oh, so that's where doll heads come from. And good thing, too. We've got a body just in need of one. Just in time for a makeover, too. Let's clear those zits. Wanna wipe your nose? Shame to waste good slime. Makes for great facials. You should see what spas use. But now, it's time to treat those pearly whites. Especially if we want them to be pearly whites. Uh-oh, Lisa needs braces. Luckily, some metal's right under your nose. Dry off, Barbara. It's almost time for your manicure. Let's start by actually giving you some nails. Now for the trim. I mean, she's not Wolverine. A pedicure costs extra, so let's move on to the hair. And not a moment too soon. We're gonna need some tough stuff. Maybe we should start over with a clean shave. So bring out your razor. After all, the buzz cut's always in style. Now let's make a skull cap out of a balloon. Add some hot glue on top. Nah, don't worry, she won't feel a thing. Of course, now we're gonna need some hair. A few extensions, and she'll have a full mane. She looks like a princess. Now to style it. Dolly's gonna need maternity clothes. Something stretchy and elastic will do. Cut out some breathing room. Let's make a pair of shoes while we're at it. Do you want something comfy or fashionable? Pink pumps? Fashionable it is. Just remember to make a larger pair for when your ankles swell. time for a stroll. Look, it's a pony! Our horsey friend could use a makeover too. Let's start by managing this mane. Now a dye job for the rest of the horsehair. Fresh coat for a coat. Now take some ribbons. All the colors you want for a new mane. Now let's add a horn. Add something for those hooves. And pretty soon, it's time to ride off on your brand new rainbow unicorn. Okay, who's been flushing the wet wipes again? You'll need a plunger. Get one toothpick, add a suction cup, and paint it red. That should take care of that. Just need 2 buttons and something connecting them. And we've got noise-canceling headphones. Whether it's silent or plays music, it's still an improvement. Let's see what else we could make to help. Take some pill packaging and cut off most of the sides. Just leave a little so that we can have a handle. It's a frying pan, and just in time for breakfast too. But let's throw in lunch and dinner for good measure also. Wow, just look at that whole spread! Sure, normally you give babies bottles, but babies don't normally have teeth. Grooming time already? Oh well, where's the tweezers? One girl's eyebrows are another doll's eyelashes. Here's something to keep your eyes safe. Color in the side of a plastic cup and cut out some shades. Uh-oh, what's sadder than a doll without a wardrobe? Start with accessories. Take a toothbrush cap and cover it with beads. I'm thinking rainbows. Throw on a chain and you got yourself a purse. What else can a modern young doll need in today's busy world? Next, let's take some cardboard and a bottle cap. Twist yarn around it. Now it's a stylish new sun hat, and it goes great with those shades. Looks like it's time to say bye to those braces too. Up next, take some straws and old CDs. It's about time we found something for the CDs to do. Cross some of the lines together. Add to a base. Place the CDs on the end. And soon, Barbara's got a brand new set of wheels. She's got a Need for Speed and a Ticket to Ride. While we're here, take that flexible hair curler. Twist it up, and it's the perfect pool toy for your favorite little guppy. Why not make some for all his friends too? All the best pool parties need a water slide. Ah, a nice stroll on the sand. Who am I kidding? It's a mess. Time to give those puppies a nice soak. Do we have any of those dead skin-eating fish? Dry off and wipe your feet while you're at it. It's so majestic seeing dolls in their natural habitat. Let's help them out with their little garden party. Just like that, a pipette becomes a soft drink. Anyone in need of a refill? It's on the house. Ah, that should hit the spot. Oh, so refreshing. Uh-oh. Well, at least it's all outside. This dog could sure use a litter box. I mean, why should cats have all the fun? Let's go all out for our furry friend. Make a stand with all these wooden sticks. It's a stand for food and water. Time to eat. So, is anyone gonna get the pooper scooper? Now we can relax. Yeah, I don't think that's juice. But it's something even better. It's slime! And your doll can join in on the fun, too. I guess we shouldn't toss our nutcrackers just yet. Careful. Never mind. That is one tough balloon. So, when are we making a new dream house? Barbie-rific stuff. Catch you next time.